Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before this video lecture, we can study that is rules which are used to draw the ray diagram by using the concave lens. Today we study that is a ray diagram by concave lens. You are given a position of object, then by drawing the diagram by using the rules, we can denote the position of image, then a nature of image and size of image. You are given a position of object and by drawing the diagram we can indicate that is position of image, nature of image and size of image. Look here, first ray diagram here. You are given a position of object at infinity. Object at infinity. We can draw the diagram here. Dear student, here concave lens in this way. Here optical center O. Then here principal axis. Here F2, then 2F2. Here F1 and 2F1. Dear student, object at infinity means object away from the principal axis. Object away from the principal axis means here is object, it is away from principal axis. That AB is the object, it is away from principal axis. And you know here, that is when object is away from principal axis, dear student, we can use the rule number 1. You know what is the rule number first here? Light ray parallel to principal axis, it appears to comes from the focus. Refracted ray appears to comes from the focus. Means in this way, light ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray appears to comes from the focus. This is refracted ray. Here below the principal axis, light ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray appears to comes from the focus. Means two refracted ray appears to comes from the focus. Not actually, they appears to comes from the focus. They directed towards the focus. And here image of object at focus. Means object at infinity, where is image? That image at focus, that is a F1. Object at infinity, image at focus, that is F1. Dear student, what is the nature of image here? That image of object which are same side of the object or to the left side of the lens, they are virtual and erect image. These refracted rays not meet actually at the point they appears to meet at a focus. Hence that is called a virtual and erect image. You know what is the nature of image? Nature of image, that is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Then what is size of image? Size of image, that is a diminished image, or we call highly diminished. Highly diminished means very small image. Very small image. That is said to be the diagram number 1. Object at infinity, image at focus. In this diagram, two light rays are parallel to principal axis. Both the refracted ray appears to comes from the focus and image of object at focus. Dear student, what is the second diagram here? How we draw the second diagram? You are given a position of object. Now object on principal axis. Object on principal axis. Above the principal axis, dear student, look here, concave lens here optical center O, here principal axis, here F2, then 2F2, here F1 and 2F1. Object on principal axis, here object is here on principal axis, AB is object. Dear student, object always above the principal axis. In this case, object on principal axis. In this diagram, here we use rule number 1 and rule number 3. Rule number first is that light ray parallel to principal axis. Rule number first, light ray parallel to principal axis, that is a refracted ray, appears to comes from the focus. Look here, I can denote a line in dots. A refracted ray appears to comes from the focus. That is a rule number first. Then dear student, what is rule number third? Here in this diagram we use the rule number third. Rule number 3, that is rule number 3 is a light ray passes from optical center. It passes undeviated without changing the direction. These two light rays meet at a point between F1 and O, and here is the image of object. That is A dash, B dash is the image of object. Means object on principal axis beyond the 2F1, image between F1 and O, and it is virtual and erect image. Nature of image is virtual and erect. It is above the principal axis, and look here, that size is diminished, smaller than object. Means object on principal axis, image between F1 and optical center O to same side of the object. Then what is nature? Nature of image, that is virtual and erect. Nature of image, that is virtual and erect, and size of image, that is a diminished. Diminished means it is a smaller than object. Compare the size of object and size of image. AB is object, bigger than A dash, B dash is the image. Means in this way, dear student, that is two diagrams are very important here. By using the rules, we can draw the two diagrams by using the concave lines, and these diagrams are very important for you, because in your question paper of CBSE final examination, you are given a position of object, and then you can draw the diagram to indicate position of image, nature of image, and size of image. Dear student, in this video lecture, we can complete the image formation by concave lens. Before this, we complete the image formation by convex lens. Now we complete the image formation by concave lens. In my next video lectures, we study the lens formula, magnification, then sign convention for lens. Please watch my next videos there, and thanks for watching this video.